Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this review, I'm taking a look at CyberPulse, an expert advisor listed on the MQL5 Marketplace, and I'll go through exactly what is shown on the page so we can understand how this system is presented before moving into the testing side. Right at the top, I can see this EA is developed by Marco Brugali and is currently available as a free download. The latest version shown here is 1.1, updated on February 10, 2024. As I scroll through the description, CyberPulse is presented as an automated trading bot designed to work across multiple markets, including GBP USD, XAU USD, and USD JPY. It's described as a system that takes a relatively low number of trades, averaging about 3 to 5 trades per week, which suggests a more selective approach to market participation. The developer explains that the system combines machine learning algorithms with price action analysis. While I can't assume the exact internal mechanics, what's clearly stated is that it is built to identify opportunities using a mix of adaptive logic and technical evaluation. Another key point highlighted here is risk control. The EA is described as maintaining low drawdown with a focus on capital preservation. It's also explicitly mentioned that it does not use high risk methods like martingale or grid systems, which is an important detail for understanding its risk structure. Scrolling further, there is mention of a 3-year backtest showing long-term stability along with a profit factor range between 1.5 and 3. That gives us an idea of how performance has been evaluated historically, at least based on the developer's testing. It's also noted that the system is compatible with prop trading environments, which suggests it is designed with controlled risk and consistency in mind. Now, moving into the backtesting section, I am reviewing the historical performance data shown here. Alright, so the focus is on how the balance develops over time and how the EA behaved across different market conditions during that tested period. From the strategy tester report that we have here, initial deposit is $10,000. The total profit made was 28,591.21, and total trades 452. Short trades were 239 with 97% win rate. Long trades 213 with about 97.65% win rate. And this shows a testing period of about 4 years, 2020 2nd January to 2024 13th January. Right, so this is one report, and then this shows another report from 2023 to 2024. This was 1st June 2023 to 10th February 2024. And initial deposit was also 10,000. Okay. Total net profit 33,217. Total trades were 377. Short trades 201 with 80% win rate. Long trades 175, 77.84% win rate. All right. So the EA seems to be performing pretty well. Let's just head over to our strategy tester as well to see how the EA performed over the past 5 months. All right, let's work with the recent months in 2026, from the beginning of 2026 till date. So we're testing the CyberPulse EA on GBP USD on the H1 time frame, and for the delays, we're using the last ping to the server, every tick modeling, and These are the results. So from an initial deposit of $100,000, we can see that the total net profit was 5,174.96, and the total trades were 27, short trades were 11 with 72.73% win rate, long trades were 16 with 43.75% win rate. All right, then the largest profit made was 2,205, and the largest loss was 2,654.82. The average profit was 2,125.16, and the average loss 2,225.2. So this tells me that the risk to reward ratio out on average is close to 1:1, but the average loss is a little bit above the average profit. And then when you combine that with the risk to reward ratio, which is not so good on average, it's not really surprising to see a 5.17% net profit over the past 5 months. All right. So from a strategy perspective, what stands out is the controlled trading frequency and the emphasis on selective entries across major pairs like GBP USD, gold, and USD JPY. But from this particular backtest that we have here on GBP USD, I can see that the EA is not the type, to be stacking a lot of trades at a time. We can see how the EA seems to be executing just one trade at a time, targeting a couple of, targeting some hours, because each trade seems to last for several hours on average. All right, judging from these particular examples. Okay. Combined with the stated use of AI and price action, it suggests a more adaptive approach, although we are only going off what's provided in the description, right? So overall, CyberPulse presents itself as a low frequency, risk conscious, automated system focused on steady long-term growth in historical testing. As always, I would recommend running your own extended testing and optimization before considering any live application, since performance can vary depending on broker conditions, risk settings, and market behavior. All right, so if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.